Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to insert picture in PDF 2024. So firstly, let's go to the picture. Here you can see this picture. I'm gonna put this picture into my PDF. So what I'm gonna do is I will open this and then click on snipping tool. Click on new and I'm gonna cut this picture like this. Then click on this copy. Then crop this and go to Adobe Acrobat. Now click on tools, which is top left corner. Scroll down and you'll find stamp, this one. Click on this stamp. Now click on open file. Open this file. I'm gonna zoom out and put this picture here inside this PDF. So what I'm gonna doing is you have to click on stamp again, this stamp, and then you can see this paste clipboard image as a stamp tool. Click on stamp tool, this one. It will take some seconds, so hold on. Now click ons and it will be like here. You can decrease the size and increase the size with the mouse. Okay, so guys, this is how you can add a picture in PDF. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.